Hello students. Today we discuss in previous lecture we discussed that C14 dating method, that is age determination methods for any old articles using that carbon 14 radioactivity of carbon 14. Then today we discuss another method used for determination of age of any oldest articles using the concept of radioactivity, using radioactivity phenomena. That is nothing but dating by tritium or tritium dating method, tritium content method, tritium dating method. That tritium H13, or that one is also shown as T13. It is a rare isotope of hydrogen. It is isotope of hydrogen and undergo decay with half-life 12.33 years. The decay of tritium is shown here as tritium nucleus is converted into helium nucleus with loss of one electron. That is, tritium H13 is converted to He23. He23. Mass is same, but the charge increases by 1. In tritium nucleus, what is the situation? 1 3 means 1 proton and 2 neutrons are there. 2 neutrons. If we consider any neutron, then neutron is neutral, zero charge, carries zero charge. That carries zero charge, that consists one positron and another is electron. In nucleus, in nucleus of that neutron, what is the situation? One positron plus 1 electron minus 1, and because of that plus 1 minus 1, total charge of neutron is 0. In this case, out of 2 neutrons of tritium, 1 neutron is converted into 1 proton. 1 neutron is converted into 1 neutron is converted into 1 proton, and therefore proton number in tritium is 1, while in another nucleus, that converted nucleus, proton number become 2. How that neutron converted into proton? By loss of 1 electron. By loss of 1 electron. That where neutron emits electron, then in that nucleus of neutron, out of 1 positive and 1 negative, 1 positive remains as it is. Therefore, particle with plus 1 charge, that is proton, that converted into proton. Therefore, the tritium is converted into helium 23 with loss of 1 electron. This tritium, which is present in atmosphere, react with oxygen and form tritiated water. Tritiated water. That is, tritium is isotope of hydrogen, and therefore it behaves same as hydrogen. Therefore, in formation of water, hydrogen react with simple hydrogen atoms react with oxygen. Same way, tritium also react. Tritium present in a minute extent, very rare isotope. Therefore, that tritium react with atmospheric oxygen and form HTO instead of H2O, HTO. Instead of one hydrogen, one tritium is there, or T2O, both instead of hydrogen, both tritium are there. In water sources, such type of molecules also exist if that water source have large surface area, large open surface area, large open surface area. Therefore, that hydrogen exchange with tritium takes place from atmosphere, and therefore that open surface water sources contain water molecules in form H2O, HTO and T2O. The ratio of tritium to hydrogen in open water sources is very small, that is 10 raised to minus 18, but it remains constant. Till that source is open to atmosphere. Why that ratio remains constant? Because the tritium decay process is ongoing. Decay takes place as time proceeds. That tritium decay and converted to helium. At the same time, due to decay, the amount which disappeared again come from atmosphere. Again, that tritium in water source coming react with oxygen, and that generation of H2O or T2O takes place. That means decay is balanced by new generation from atmosphere, because surface is open to atmosphere. But once water sample is withdrawn from the water source, then that contact of that water with atmospheric oxygen, that when water withdraw from source, afterward no contact of that water with atmospheric oxygen, and therefore intake new generation of T2O and H2O stop for now. No new generation, but decay is continuously taking place. Therefore, that decay is continuous process, and therefore if we pick up any article, and if that article contain old article, and if that article contain very few molecules of water, remaining water, then from that few amount of water, small amount of water which is present in that article, oldest article, whose age is to be determined, in that article measure the amount of tritium. How will you measure amount? Measure the activity of that water which is present in article and compare with fresh water from source, from open source. Compare that activity with fresh water from open source. Then from difference in activity, that is one is n and another is n0. From the difference in activity, we measure the time t, that is age of that article, by using formula lambda is equal to 2.303 upon t log base to 10 n0 upon n. By using that formula, we determine age for that article. Then next part of this topic is nuclear reactions or nuclear transmutations. Nuclear transmutations, that is one radioactive nucleus can be converted into, or conversion of one nucleus into another nucleus by the process which is known as nuclear reactions or nuclear transmutations. We discuss this part in next lecture. Thank you.